Fear of failure is good. Fear of failure will keep you up at night, planning and rehearsing and going over contingencies. Fear of failure will keep you training hard.
What's up, Rico Cap family and traders? We're back on a Monday morning, and I want to give you all the quick recap on how I did this live trade for the team, Nvda. So first trade of the day, first trade of the week, and we started off strong. So I knew this week would be a very tricky week as we have Q kind of topping out on Friday. Monday we starting off kind of pushing back in our demand and losing it here. SPY very close to new all-time highs. We have one last supply zone up here before we get there. Now, and they tried to break it out here up top, but it was a failed breakout, and I think a lot of people got caught off sides, not understanding where we are and what's going on this week in the market. So I was telling the team, look guys, SPY is strong and we are gonna go upside on SPY when it's time for upside, but everything was pretty much red pre-market. And knowing weeks like this, Monday and Tuesday were basically range, right? We're basically same kind of price action we'll see from last Friday to last Thursday, right? We don't go higher, we don't go kind of lower, we're just back in range. So there's a lot of psychology that goes into this, and a lot of people don't understand that. And one thing I'm really good at is psychology. Knowing what the market is gonna do before it does it, right? So if the big move is coming Wednesday with the Fed decision about cutting rates, Monday and Tuesday, they're gonna keep it near levels where they ran it up Friday, just in anticipation of that. Now, Tuesday is when we start looking for signs of big players getting in before the decision to see what they're trying to bet on or what they're doing. So with that being said, today we're looking at it and it was very tough action. I saw Nvda hit inside of a supply, can't really get above it, and I saw that we ended up losing it pre-market. Chips were weak off Apple news. Apple came pre-market with some news about their iPhone sales less than expected, pre-orders and things like that. So it was down about $6 and still pretty down now. Chips were down as well, and Nvda was bear flagging right here. And as you can see, we lost our 118, 119 supply, and we're holding on to my 116.87 level blue line right there. So that right there tells me this is a pretty big level, and I know it's a big level because it's a previous level, and you can see if we kind of back up where that significant level is. So I knew if we end up losing that blue level, we'd come down near 114, possibly down here, but I didn't think we would. I knew we'd at least get the 114 level. And as you can see, it played out perfectly for us. But what I saw going in is we're bear flagging right here. I just easily put a yellow trend line just like that. I saw we're bear flagging, we're holding the 116. I just put an easy trend line just like that. And I was on the 15. I like doing on the 15. So I did it pretty much bottom wick right there, and then kind of like the body that was holding right there. So I knew if we opened up under it, and especially under a 116, we're gonna dump. And that's exactly what we did. So at open, right before open, I see this 15 lose it, and already losing the support here for this bear flag. I don't draw the top of the other line. You could draw the top of the line if you wanted to, like a bear flag like that. I just already know what a bear flag is, right? I don't need to put it the top part. I'm just looking for the bottom part because that's the most important part where we lose it and dump. So at open, we opened up on the 15 under our 116.87 level and under the bear flag, and I knew no hesitation. We had to go. We had to go. No hesitation. QQ was selling off right here. Let me get on a lower time frame, 5. So we're dumping immediately at open on Q. Market's on my side. Chips are dumping. Nvda is bear flagging. I see a play. We cannot hesitate. So we jumped in it, and I was getting a hard time getting filled here. Weeble was trying not to fill me. I don't know what was going on, but I ended up getting filled around 130 a contract right here. As it started kind of pushing down, the move started happening. So I got filled at 130, and to be honest, they came right back to like a dollar, $1.05, maybe $1.15. So my entry was, I know my members got a better entry than me, so I'm happy about that, and that's all I really care about. And then the move, we rejected all the way down to 114 area, and I told them trim into the move, so these puts went 160 plus. And I'm loving that. I'll take that all day. A win on the day immediately on a tough day like this. We're 2 for 2 on the day, and we're doing less. So beautiful work. Immediately it starts working in our favor. We don't even, it doesn't even go back much for us. Not much of a fight. It was awesome. I did this live, like I said, and it's just one of those where, it was a tough pre-market. I had to look around. I saw a setup. Everything was in our favor, and we had to take that high probability chance that this was going to work out, and it did exactly that. So we're starting the week off with a win, solid win here. I just want to give y'all the recap on kind of what I saw there going into. And notice how we came down to 114. Buyers brought it all the way back up to our supply. Our demand turn supply. Notice how we tagged it right there, and I mean beautiful tag right there. Rejection all the way come back down to 116, our 116 level, and it's holding around there right now as we're approaching lunchtime. So very easy play for us right there. I told the team, trim into the move, sell. Let's not hold on to this. Quick and easy, made our money, and that was the plan for the week. Monday is make our money fast, be done. Tuesday it's probably gonna chop range for market. So size down, do less, and possibly no trades. We'll see. And then Wednesday, Thursday, we press hard, and then of course Friday is Lotto Friday, so we have some fun, get risky there. So solid start to the week. We're doing less. Let's see what the market does. SPY is very close to new all-time highs, and Q is pretty strong as well. Well, not right now, but Q is pretty strong as far as holding up here as well. So we're all eyes on SPY for upside, and we're gonna see what we can do. So hopefully I'll give y'all an update later in the week how we're doing, and appreciate y'all watching the recap. Subscribe if you want some live alert. My trades, wap.com/Regal Capital. Tap in with the team, guys. Let's win. Let's make some money. Let's do less, make things less complicated, and win more. So see you on the next video.
The world was so quiet.